Hi, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. Yes, we're back again. So today we're going to be making some grilled tofu in none other than the one and only a George Foreman lean fat grilling machine. What?
Wonderful.
We haven't used that in probably like 10 years.
I kept forgetting we had it.
We don't have a barbecue anymore. We don't usually grill tofu. We usually do air fryer. So I thought, hey, why don't we try out the tofu in the George Foreman? It's been sitting around, not getting any love. So let's give it a shot.
Let's love it.
Exactly. So we have 2 blocks of tofu here. These are from Aldi. They're the extra firm. I like to instead of pressing, I usually take my tofu out and I stand it on its side on a plate like this. Let me grab a dish towel. And then right before I use it, I like to, get all the moisture that was sitting in the water. So we can get rid of this. Whoop. And we're going to mix up some coatings. So the first coating, we're going to do the regular one that we normally do, which is some cornstarch. I'm going to do it in this bowl over here. Little cornstarch. We got a little nooch, aka nutritional yeast. For you guys who don't know what that is, it is like...
delicious.
Yeah. Not only is it delicious, it's like a deactivated yeast product. So it's not like yeast to make your bread rise. It's like the byproduct of something else. And we're also going to add a little flavor, salt. So we're going to just put very little like that. Going to mix this up. That's one coating. And then the other dish over here, we're going to do a modified coating that is from our cookbook, our air fryer cookbook. And this is a peanut butter, like a spicy peanut butter. We don't have lime to put in it, so we're just going to put some lemon juice in it. But it was one of our favorite recipes from the cookbook. Yes. That's like 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And now I have this all. This is going to be... Oh, who committed the crime? Let's dust for fingerprints.
Cornstarch lady.
We're going to put a little lemon juice in here. That's probably like 1.5 tablespoons. We're going to do... this is this one. Garlic buffalo wing sauce. This is vegan. And we're going to do like 1.5 tablespoons of that. And for a little different flavor, we're going to use some tamari. Gluten-free. All of these are gluten-free.
Mm-hmm.
That one just like... Alright. like a tablespoon. So I'm going to give this one a mix. This one's going to take a little bit of mixing, but...
You got to work.
Yeah, you got to work that peanut butter. And this is... this has a little bit of sugar in it already because the peanut butter is sweetened. I usually use unsweetened peanut butter, but Maddie had hers in the cabinet, so I just grabbed it. I know. So the original recipe had a little pineapple juice in it, so there's a little bit of sugar in the peanut butter already, so we don't have to worry about putting in a little sweet to brighten it up a little bit. So, oh, that's so peanut buttery. Good. You want to make sure you mix it really well. This is like even... just a little, well, I don't know. Is this going to be a good coating? It seems really thick. We might have to add a few drops of water to that just to, All right, so let's do the first one. We're just going to cut these in half and make 2 slabs each. So we're going to, this one's more of like a breading. The other one's going to be kind of more like a little marinade, so...
Soak it up.
That's right, baby. I'm sure we'll have some left over to throw out.
Uh-oh.
Sorry. All right, we'll do the same with the other blocks in the peanut butter mixture, and then we'll be back.
Looking good.
Painted with peanut butter. This one's messy. In a different way.
Mm-hmm.
All right, feels hot, so I guess it's ready. I don't know if this is going to work or not. It's like, you're going to find out when we find out.
Yeah.
We're just good. Oh my god, all the stuff is rolling off.
Yes, it is.
Damn it. Whoop. Let's just spray the top a little bit. And oh, it's sizzle. Okay. Ooh. Let's hold it down a little bit against its will. I guess it's going to have to cook for like a few minutes, so
Yeah, we'll check back in.
we're not going to watch it. All right, that looks pretty good.
Nice.
We're going to cook the second one before we do the peanut butter one. Let's see if I can get this off. Get off. I wanted to flip it to see what the other side looks like.
Oh,
Okay.
That's good.
That's the good thing about doing this, because it's cooking it on the same, you only have to do one side.
Yeah,
because
you don't have to flip
it. So let's cook the other one now.
We'll be back when it's time for the peanut butter one.
Yeah. All right, so I cooked the first peanut butter one, and I did not use any oil on this.
It smells so good.
It smells perfect.
It smells like pad thai.
Yes, this would be great with some noodles. Maybe some konjac noodles if you wanted to do like, gluten-free. But let's get the second one on there. And like I said, it's got the peanut butter on here, so that's kind of oily. So you don't really need.
You don't need to spray
You
that
don't
one.
need the oil, to spray it, because it's already got the natural oil from the peanut butter.
Sounds good.
5 to 7 minutes, and it's done. All right, here it is out of the fryer. It's stacked up.
It smells so good.
Well, why don't you cut it up so we could try it?
Okay.
Like, cut off.
Oh, like a strip?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Oops. It wasn't a clean cut, but that's okay.
You really meant
It's
massacring it here.
Excuse my sick voice.
Why don't you cut that in half?
Oh.
And we'll each have half.
Because I wanted to eat the whole thing. You know I love my tofu.
Yes, I do.
Okay, so this is our original, usual coating that we do.
Mmm.
Here we go. Want to cheers?
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What do you think?
Pretty good.
Oh, it smells so good. Mmm. Delicious.
Obviously, it's better in cubes because, like, you get more of the flavor wrapped around the whole cube. But, like, for a quick 5 to 7 minutes, that is pretty satisfying.
That would be great on a sandwich.
Or on a salad.
Yes. So good.
Yeah.
I do enjoy the...
Little cubes?
Of course I love the cubes, but with this, it is nice to have that, like, crunchier outside.
Yeah.
And then the inside is a little softer.
Yeah.
But, yeah. Ooh,
right,
that's good.
Let's see the spicy peanut.
Okay. I think I did a little bit of a better job.
Oh,
here.
nice.
Let's see what we're working with. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Oh, dang.
Uh-huh.
Oh, my God.
Wow.
I forgot how much I love that sauce. Oh, that is delicious.
That's a whole nother level.
Well, we know what we're having for lunch.
I mean, that's great.
Yeah.
But this one right here,
Ooh!
that's a winner, baby.
This would be like my everyday one. And that... Oh, are you going to show it? This would be my everyday one. And then this peanut butter one would be like for funsies, special every once in a while.
Well, this, like in a lip sync battle, congratulations, and this one now sachet away, but still good. But still good.
Oh, that is so good.
Wow. Okay.
Love it. Love it.
Are you a vegan griller?
I am now.
Nice. Wonderful.
Oh my God. That'd be so... Oh my God. It's just... It'd be so perfect in a pad thai, but also, like, on a salad. I could eat that one on a sandwich. Like, you could eat any of these.
Honestly,
in so many different ways.
I'd rather heat this up so minimally than turn on the air fryer in the summertime.
True.
you know?
Yeah.
You could even do that out on the deck.
This is also just like super quick.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we couldn't find our drip pan, so
It didn't really drip much anyway, so it's not like we're
not grilling like meat here.
Yeah.
So. But yeah, oh my god, we're gonna have to bring out the George Foreman more often.
Yeah. I bet we could do veggies on there too.
Yes, I'm thinking asparagus would be
Oh,
really
what?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you all so much for watching, or like zucchini slices. Okay.
Yeah, zucchini.
Let us know what vegan goodies you make on your grill. And,
or George Foreman. And I think Maddie pointed out that it's not a fat grilling
No,
machine.
it's not lean, mean, fat grilling machine. It's fat reducing.
Okay, thank you for clearing that up.
You're welcome. So thank you all so much for watching. We will be back again for more. And until then,
much love.